afternoon. Welcome. This is Waec here, 2020 objective English past question. Question number 14. The instruction says we should look out for the word that best completes this particular sentence. And the sentence says, there is an election dash. There is an election dash pending against the senator. There is an election dash pending against the senator. A. Application. Application is the act of applying. The act of applying. That is application. Appeal. Appeal simply means to beg. Appeal means to beg, maybe over inferior judgment. Petition. Petition is a formal request. It's a formal request made to an official body, or institution of government with many signatory or many signatures. That is, many people sign it, that it is like that. Then we'll talk of option D. Complain is the act of complaining. Complaining. So there is an election dash pending against the senator. It's petition. You write petition against people or against someone that you feel that the person is not qualified, or that the person have done evil or wrongly as a result of the position that the person is holding, and so on and so forth. So one can say petition. There is an election petition pending against the senator. That is, after the election has been conducted, then there's a petition that follows, maybe by the people from this constituency, and so on and so forth. So option C is correct. Thank you and God bless you. Ensure you subscribe for more videos.